Hey everyone, I'm Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over a bookkeeping report confirmation chat message. The first thing you want to do is click Get for Free, and then you want to go over to your first template where it has been added. You can go to Chats, and then you're going to want to open that template to review it. You can see that we have the template name, which the clients cannot see, so you're able to name it whatever you would like. You have the sender name. You can choose anybody on your team. You have the thread assignee. This is going to be the person who is going to respond to the messages. They're going to get the responses from the client in their inbox plus. You'll have the subject of the message. This is going to be viewed by the client. And then you also have the message that the client will see. Once you've reviewed it, you've made any changes that you need to, you can go ahead and click Save and Exit. This also does have a client tab for them to check off. So go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now you can have this as part of your pipeline. You can send it as a new chat to as many people as you need to by clicking To and selecting all the clients that you would like to send it to. We're just going to send it to my test account. We choose the template that we want to use. Again, it's going to show you the subject and it's going to show you the content of that chat message. Where you can make any updates that you need to. And then it's going to show you that client task. We'll go ahead and click Create Chat. And I'll show you another way to send it. So you're also able to go to Clients, where you're going to see all of your accounts. You can select just the account that you want, or you can click the top checkbox, and you can select everybody in there. Then you can go to More Action. Then you can go to Send Message. This is going to allow you to send one message to all of your clients at the same time. So you're going to go ahead and click Templates, select the template, and again, you can see the subject and the content of that message. You can go ahead and click Create Chat, and it will send it to everybody on your list. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.